Hey, I'm back at the property. I was so excited to clear this creek. I'm like, I finally found it. And then I get my friends and family are like, you better be careful, you're gonna get fined if I do stuff. So I got a hold of the Department of Ecology just to ask if I can make a bridge. A removable one, but just so I could cross it without hurting any of the aquatic life down there. Nobody can give me a yes or a no. They said you might need a permit, but they didn't say no more. So this needs to be renamed Schitt's Creek, but spelled differently, because I was so excited and then my bubble was bursted. So I'm not gonna do anything back here until I hear back from another person from the state, because if I do something where I'll get a fine, I'll hear from them probably the same day. But then when you need their help, they're gonna get a hold of you when they feel like it. But I have all my chainsaw chaps, because when I use my Husqvarna, it makes me happy. So I'm gonna go up there a little bit, and we're gonna try and clear a spot for when I get my turkeys. So I'll see you up there. But I thought this might be a good spot. Like there's where I normally am. I got those mini pallets at a mill down the road. I'm gonna use those for part of my turkey fence to help keep coyotes and other wildlife out. But the creek's down that way, it just came from down there. So I'm gonna cut those little alders, maybe the other dead trees. This is not a swamp or considered wetlands. You just see all the moss because this area hasn't seen sunlight since before I was born. So hopefully I can cut some of this stuff down, make me happy and not hurt myself. But I have my chaps on just in case I need them. So let's get to work. Chain looks a little loose, I gotta go tighten it, and I'll be back. Because safety never takes a day. I just clipped that salmonberry and my chain went off. Now I gotta fix the chain so I can fall that. Today's going good. Like so far, every time I've started the chainsaw, no problems. It only dies when I kill it. I'm sorry I'm wearing all orange today. I did not think this through. Because when I came down, I didn't know what I was gonna do today. But I love orange. Like I can't look at it and not be happy. But again, I'm sorry if I look like a pumpkin today. Not planned. chainsaw's working great. I just tightened this sucker. I'm gonna have to read the manual when I get home. Let me see if all it needs is another tighten. It's a brand new chain too. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, I think when I hit that barrier, I might have dinged the bar. Take it to my local chainsaw shop, and they could tell me. Let's see. Should be okay. Let's find out. It was going so good. At least I got this tree done. And cutting down stuff did make me happy. So maybe I'll get my pruners, trim some of the branches, and see if I can pull some of these guys up. Because I'm gonna put him in my car for now, because I don't want to do anything bad to it. I love it. It's still semi-new. I don't know if it needed the new fuel or if it just needed to be ran more, but it's running good except for the darn chain. So I don't think I'm done yet. I still have daylight. It's not raining, not freezing. So I'll probably take off my chaps and see what I can get done over here. I'm tired. I drug the tree over to the side just to get it out of the way. And I can tell the difference. I don't know if you guys can. I was able to get some of those salmon berries up. Still plenty to go. I'm really gonna have to pull on those guys. And if the weather stays nice like it has been, well, it got nice today. We had snow a couple days ago. But if it stays nice, I hope to come back in a couple days and do some more work, and hopefully I'll hear from somebody from the state by then. But yeah, I think it's looking good. I don't know if I'm going to leave that big log in the back or not. Because I'm like, the turkeys could have something to play with. They could hide under it, because it's all going to be fenced. I'm just like, maybe they'll want to play with it. And that's why I didn't cut the ferns down, because my book called Turkeys for Beginners says they like ferns. So we shall see. I'm kind of liking this spot. But I'll have to clear it pretty good, because I want to dig some chicken wire, and then I also want to have a little perimeter around it so that they could see if there's any coyotes or something spying on them. But yeah, if today wasn't too bad, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. I appreciate every one of you, and have a good one. Thanks again.